Good morning, my fearless wonders. My name is Juliana. I go by Juju, the Love Guru, and I'm so happy to be out here in nature today. Guys, we make the best of every single day that's ahead of us. And I know for myself, I struggled so badly with negative thoughts, intrusive thoughts, and dark thoughts, just depressing thoughts. How boring life was, and until I started doing positive affirmations every single day, day in, day out for years, and really truly loving and forgiving everyone, I wasn't able to really see a difference in my life. We can say we forgive someone, but we gotta truly mean that. And sometimes that takes a really long time to get to. But I am here to tell you that life is good today, and we choose to live an abundant life. We choose to live a prosperous life. We choose to be that joy in the universe. We choose to spin around in circles. We choose to live abundantly. We are magical beings. We are wonderful beings. We are creative beings. We are inspirational. We are imaginative beings, and we are here to glow. We are here to share with the universe certain skills, talents, treasures that the universe needs to see. We're all evolving, and someone brought that to my awareness the other day, and it's so true. We're all evolving at our own pace, and your spiritual journey is different than my spiritual journey, but what it comes down to is all we have is this moment, this present moment, to be with this leaf, to really learn to appreciate whatever is in front of us. We are on a quest to love abundantly, and we are here to share the good news that life is amazing, and there's adventure and treasure and fun and play all around us. And it's our playground, and we have to have a childlike spirit in this life. And the more that we can go into that playfulness, that childlikeness, that fun and that play, we are going to create a magical life. Life is so good today, and I just want you to know that I am here for you to tell you that you are so loved, so valued, so treasured, and you are so worthy, so worthy. And sometimes we just didn't hear that growing up. Sometimes we have to have somebody come into our lives to remind us what love looks like. And we are impacted by that. I know I was impacted by a vibration of love that was so beautiful, so creative, so loving and kind and compassionate and supportive and encouraging, that's what's moved me most in the universe. We are here to love the universe. We are here to spread joy with the universe. We are here to look at nature from a beautiful place and see how it was created. And sometimes just walking around barefoot in the grass, getting in touch with the universe. We're all here to be wonderful, amazing, spontaneous. I like to live every single day as it's my last. We aren't promised tomorrow, and I see a lot of people suffering in this universe. They can't escape their mind. And I was there. I was in a very, very chaotic place, a hell inside of my mind. I lived in a state of anxiety, fear, worry. And I've let all that stuff out, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm so grateful. Today we choose to be in a state of gratitude. The gratitude of the Tweety birds, the gratitude of the bench, the gratitude of the grass, the smell of the grass. We are in a perfect, balanced state of homeostasis. We are in a perfect balanced state of homeostasis. We are perfect health, harmony, balance, safety, security, patience, letting go now. We are passing through. We get to experience life. And what are we going to pass through? What imprint are you going to leave behind? What imprint are we going to leave behind? We waste our entire lives worrying, fear about what's going on around us, when really all we need to be doing is creating and using our imaginations. But in order to get there, we have to heal the inside, and we have to do the work on the inside and figure out why things bother us, figure out why we have a hard time in situations. Any situation I've been through and it's irritated me or bothered me, it has nothing to do with the other person. It has to do with me. And that's what I have to look at today is, what is this person doing to bother me so bad to where I can't be around them? And that's what we have to look at. I have to accept all parts. We are overflowing with large sums of wealth and success and abundance and prosperity, and we do what brings us the most joy, and money follows naturally. Money follows naturally. We are uplifting, supportive, encouraging, captivating, mesmerizing, dazzling, glowing, rainbow, colorful, spiritual beings. And we are chosen to do great things. If you're inspired, there's a chance that you're one of the chosen ones. If you're not inspired, you need to look at that. When I was on a quest of deprivation instead of inspiration, all I attracted was deprivation. And then I started seeing the people using their creativity, their imagination, and that to me is the coolest thing. People that go beyond reality and create extraordinary. I've decided to come outside and be in a different environment today. I mean, I'm always outside, but sharing my video outside is just more color, more beauty, and it's just such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. I'm so grateful for everything I have. I wouldn't change anything. If I was to die today, I would be a happy woman, because I'm doing what I love most, dancing. Feeling fully alive, fighting through the uncomfortable feelings of pain. Learning to sit with the leaf. Learning to get in touch with all 5 senses. Taste, touch, smell, hearing. Today's gonna be an amazing day, guys. All good things are coming our way. all good things are coming our way. We are here to listen to others. We're here to live intentional. We're here to share our experience with others. But we're also here just to listen. We're here to listen. We're here to sometimes just be in silence. But I know I was called to be magical. So I have to be magical. It's time to be fun, entertaining, playful, silly, goofy. And we worry about ourselves. We don't worry about other people. We worry about ourselves. We stay in our lane. I used to worry about everybody, you know? I used to worry about what everyone else was doing instead of just focusing on myself. It's so crazy the amount of growth we've made over the years, and then we look back and we're like, oh my gosh, wow. But everything we go through is part of the human experience. Look at this stick. Observing this stick. Big one. I made someone laugh today. That's what it's about. It's about being that smile in someone's day today. Let's be that smile. Let's be that love. Let's embrace every single second. I love y'all so much. I hope y'all have a great day full of color and sunshine. Bye.